Hello lovelies, looking for an easy butter icing recipe and also how to decorate your cake? You are welcome. Let me hold your hands through how to make butter icing. Let's get started. So in my bowl, I'll be going in with 500 grams of icing sugar and I will sieve this thoroughly. In this particular recipe, I will be showing you how to also decorate your cake without any instrument. No cake table, no cake knife, just your normal kitchen knife, or if you have a bread knife, better still, for you to give it those designs that the equipment they use for icing, they use for decorating their cake will give your cake. So your bread knife can actually give you that. So you don't need to have all the instruments before you can ice your cake. That's why I said this video is strictly for beginners. Those persons that want to ice cake, they want to ice their cake without any basic instrument. So after sieving my icing sugar, I will set that aside. So in my pot, I'll be going in with 250 grams of margarine. I'm going to open this up, mix it a little bit, and go in with my icing sugar. I'll be adding it bit by bit till I have exhausted all the icing sugar, and I will mix this thoroughly to make it look creamy. Once it's creamy, once this particular yellowish color has turned to creamy color, then I will know that my butter icing is actually in a right direction. While for decorating your cake, what you just need is your cake board where you will place the cake on top, and also your knife and your spoon, and you are good to go. So this is what I'm talking about. When you get into this point, then I will now go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla oil. You can use any flavor of your choice. And I'll mix this very well. And I'll go in with 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This is my secret ingredient. Then after mixing, I'll set this aside. In my cake board, I'm going to spread my butter icing. I'll spread it like this using my spoon. Then I'll place my cake on top. I will not be trimming out any part of this cake because the cake is quite small and it comes out very well. While I baked it, it's kind of looking equal. So I'll just leave it like this and work with it like this. I'll place my cake this way. Then I'll also use my butter icing and spread on top too, like this. As you can see, I'm using my spoon to spread it. Then I'll use the other cake to cover it. While baking this cake, I divided it into 2 pan. So that's why it's like this. So I will spread my butter icing on top like this. I will have to elevate this. I put a little plate under so that it will be very easy for me to turn it while putting my butter icing. So this is how I'll be putting it. Are you seeing it? This is how easy it is. I'm using this method because we are beginners. There are other methods that you can use to spread your butter icing in your cake. This is the method I'm using. I'll be videos. I'll be showing you other methods. So this is strictly for beginners. If you've not iced your cake before, try and use this method. You're going to like what you get. You make sure you cover everywhere, and while you are spreading your butter ice, you turn it so that it will cover everywhere. I think that I'm doing it. So the plate you put on that just for you to, it will enable you to be able to move your cake easily. Once you've covered everywhere in your cake, you clean your you will clean your bread knife and soak it in hot water for like 2 minutes. Bring it out, clean it, remove the water. Then you can now use it to smooth your cake. So I've went ahead to do that. So this is me smoothing it. I'm using that sharp part of the bread knife to draw out the lines you are seeing. So guys, are you seeing it? I'm just using my bread knife. So once you come to baking, you just have to be creative. You can use whatever you have to get the desired results. You don't need to break the bank, or you don't need to get everything once. With time, you can get everything, but you have to work with what you have at home. So I'll also smooth the up like that after putting it inside of the hot water. Are you seeing it? Some persons will not even believe that I actually use cake knife to get this particular design. So after that, I will have to write out the name of the celebrant using my piping bag. You can actually skip this part. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just go to the cake shop and buy a birthday sticker and just add it, just put it inside the birthday sticker, so you don't need to write anything. But piping bag is very affordable. I bought this piping bag for 200. You can just buy a piping bag to just at least to further your design. So I'll be using my piping bag to design the up after writing the name. So I hope this video have shown you that it's very possible to ice a cake even without the basic equipment needed. I hope you find this video helpful. I would like to know in the comment section if you give it a try. So after writing the name, I will now have to add the design of my choice. I was in a hurry while making this cake, so I was not even able to think of any design. I was just doing what is in my head. So I will do a different design at the done. So after this, I'm going to add my sticker. I bought this sticker for 600. If you can pause the video and look the price tag, you see it at 600 naira. I'll just add my sticker like this. You can also buy happy birthday sticker like this and just shook it inside like this. And after that, I'll add my sprinkles. I bought my sprinkles for 1.5 for the bottle. I'll be using some sprinkles and pour it on top to give it a further design. Sprinkles are very fine when you're designing children cake. So once you get this sprinkle, just sprinkle it on top, and this is how the cake is looking. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. I hope this video was helpful to you. Bye.